With the current travel restrictions in place, most foreign nationals are prevented from entering Canada, with some exemptions. With these restrictions, Canada is suspending processing of non-essential visitor visa applications. This allows Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada to focus resources on critical services. This suspension also applies to some electronic travel authorization applications. Before we continue, please support us by subscribing to our channel and hit the bell button to get the updates on your screens. Please like and share our videos with your friends on Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter. Let's continue with the video and tell you more about the processing changes for visas in Canada due to coronavirus. Processing of visa and electronic travel authorization applications for those who are allowed to come to Canada will continue. This includes all temporary foreign worker applications, with a particular focus on essential services, such as those in medical fields and food supply chains. The processing of study permits for students will continue, in anticipation of the fall study term. Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada will continue to process applications to the extent possible. Study permit applications require biometrics, and many visa application centers that normally provide this service are closed. As a special measure, due to coronavirus, applicants are now being given 90 days, instead of the standard 30 days to give biometrics. It should be noted that only students who have a valid study permit or were approved for a study permit on or before March 18, 2020, can currently travel to Canada. Workers, students and visitors who qualify for an exemption to travel restrictions must apply online. Permanent residence applications continue to be processed. Only permanent residents who received approval on or before March 18, 2020, can currently travel to Canada. Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada will continue to provide updates on any further changes, including when the suspension of processing is lifted. Our video ends here today. Thanks for being with us. We will be uploading more videos like this soon.